guys. This is kind of comedy and oh, I don't want to play around. Oh, this is wait, but else can I do, my love? Oh my Galian Khasi people, kum no pilong paralog. Kerteng Gabs, Gabi, your African boy here back again, and today we have something lit, guys, something amazing for you. And I'm also so curious to check this out because you know what? Today we have a latest music video from JOELAN with WANBHAA, guys. So we have DAPYN, guys. Let's not forget him also, guys. He's among the best producer outside there in Shillong. So yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Just know I miss you all, and I'm also so curious seeing new faces outside here in the thumbnail. I don't know her name, but I checked in the comment that her name is Irene. Yo, can't wait to see Irene in this. It's gonna be like my first time seeing Irene. I don't know much about her, but maybe JOELAN will tell us very soon, guys. So I'm also so curious. Joe, there's something cooking, I'm pretty sure, because the thumbnail can tell me this. So let's check it out, guys. Don't forget, if it is your first time here, kindly join the African family. Let's go. We have SHUH BARE HYNNON, JOELAN, WANBHAA. Let's go. Woo. Yeah.
SHUH BARE HYNNON,
my love. Okay, JOELAN is asking when we and my soul are going towards you. Okay, what else can I do, my love? Woo, JOELAN. What else can I do, my love?
Yo cibitang na pila kum karangay Kajong just kum kito kikmak pernay Jingin na piro bagwanganay Nangayan o kewat Petrusha jngay Gano kiklosya tanay Nakamasiam wat penling ay Ong pihap shwa nangatang ba SHUH BARE ngako
love. Oh my God, I love this. Wait. Amazing, JOELAN. You just kill it, man. You just kill it. First of all, I just want to say thank you for providing the English subtitle. Yeah, I can just feel it, man. No, it's not me. She can feel it. Let me say, she can feel it, man. Like, this is so lovely, and this is so deep, bro. Like, brother to brother. Let's speak brother to brother. The way I'm seeing you closing your eyes, I can feel you, man. There is something you got deep inside for Irene. You guys should tell us what is popping there, man. See it. Coming to Irene. Oh my gosh, you look so beautiful. Honestly, you look so beautiful. Like, wow. It's just the movement. It's just the smile. And the video is already shining. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I hope what I'm thinking is gonna be the same, guys. JOELAN brother is cooking something. Let's go. It's time. We have the best dancers of all the time. Michael, bro, miss you. Hey Michael, where is Rose, man? I can't see Rose here. Everyone a couple, you should come with Rose. You see JOELAN with Irene, and you have there WANBHAA with the pet. Oh, WANBHAA, tell them, without you, my love, men sim jonga. Easy, take it easy, WANBHAA. Hey, JOELAN, stop saying that. That is not good. That's not why you are saying. You stole my heart, just like how WANBHAA steal the heart Hey, WANBHAA. Now this guy. Now this is. I don't know how to say, but I love it. I love it. Okay. So next time I'm hoping also to see WANBHAA revealing some beefing part. It's now beefing part. Is their beefing. WANBHAA. Which chord does WANBHAA stole? Because I still remember, but I don't know. WANBHAA, come justify yourself, because JOELAN, your best friend, is saying that Irene stole. You stole my heart, just like how WANBHAA stole the chord. So Irene stole, or trying. I don't know who is stealing. Is it Irene or JOELAN? Oh no, JOELAN, you have to steal her heart, because it's what she deserves it. Don't say like that, okay? Because you, according to the lyric, you stole my heart, just like how WANBHAA steal the chorus. Keep WANBHAA beside. We'll come to you, brother. But you should steal her heart. It should not be Irene. Irene, oh my gosh, she's a princess, man. You have to go to her and kneel down and request her. She deserves it, man. She's, oh my gosh. Bakoti Manga. That is WANBHAA. Bakoti Manga. WANBHAA. No. I don't believe that. But WANBHAA, come justify yourself. Is that true? What JOELAN say here? Let's continue on. This is nice. This is kind of comedy and my love. The layers into speed, in one speed, not two speed. Oh, see the beauty there. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Two guys just kidding, man. Those ladies, they are so beautiful. Hey, Irene, you guys come here, explain for me. You guys come and explain this for me. There is something cooking down, guys. Okay. There is something cooking down that JOELAN and Irene has to explain for that. Me, I have a very strong feeling that the way JOELAN is closing his eyes and expressing this song, it's not only about a music song, brother to brother. I know there is something deep down, but I really wish it so. I really wish so, because she really deserves it, man. I hope. I'm also praying. Okay, don't worry, guys. I'll put both of you in my prayers, okay? And I will also pray for WANBHAA not to keep stealing people quads, because WANBHAA, you are a legend, bro. This is not fair what JOELAN is saying here. How dare he say that you are stealing quads? JOELAN, you should also apologize for that. You should not say like that in a music video that WANBHAA used to steal people quads. Which quads did WANBHAA steal, guys? Other than Bagoti Manga, other than this, which one again? Don't play, guys. I just love the music video. I love it. Like, it is so lovely, so romantic, and moreover, that word of JOELAN just made it so funny and amazing. It's amazing. And the director and the producer, DAPYN, you always doing good, bro. I'm so happy to react to this music. La SHUH BARE Bakoti Manga, La SHUH BARE, you my mensim jonga. It's like La SHUH BARE mensim jonga. Hey, they also surprise us in. I can see that WANBHAA also is singing here in English, and this is so amazing, guys. This is really so amazing. Like, I really hope next time I see like different type of language like that. This is so quality. This is so amazing, and just all the best, guys. All the best, all the team. I'm just so proud of you guys, and I'm really hoping and wishing all the best for my people who are falling here because of her, I also came to watch this music video, and I feel something strong is gonna happen. So whatever it is, you get it. If you don't get it, just forget about it, guys. Yeah, let's comment down JOELAN Fit Irene. That's the next music video we want to see, because it's about to come down, guys. Love you all. Till next time. Bamba Club.